Hey there, Escambia County teachers. Today we're going over how you can locate any group that's been assigned to you by your administration. Examples of this can include your inclusion students, ELL or ESOL students, clubs, or sports that you may coach and sponsor. Now remember, these are students who are not assigned to you on your schedule. So let's get started. On your portal page, you do have the option to find a student or student group from this block, but we're going to come back to that. Let's begin with student groups. Clicking this icon will bring you to your next screen, and then you're going to see any group that's been assigned to you by your administration. Clicking the View tab is going to bring up those students. Now in this example, I have 22 students that are not assigned to me in my schedule, but I do need to work with them. Now that we're back on our portal screen, let's take a look at this Find a Student block. You can go ahead and click that drop down and select the student group that's been assigned to you. However, when I click this search button, you're going to notice that it does bring up a blank screen because remember, these are students not assigned to me. Here's a focus pro tip. Click the blue link at the top. It's going to bring up those students that are assigned to you via the student group. You also have access to those student groups in your communication module. They're going to live here under student groups. Now in this example, I'm sending information to the primary contacts of those students. Clicking my send button guarantees that it is the 22 students in my group. Now remember, in this example, I chose the primary contacts of these 22 students. Therefore, when I take a look at my communication report, it's going to show a final count that's larger than 22. So just keep that in mind. Thanks so much for watching and learning about student groups and focus. Check out our recommended video that's here because we're united for every student to succeed.